Welcome back to North of the Broad. I'm your host, Karen Wyman, coming to you from the one and only Higher Ground with, of course, our awesome host, Tim Lovett.
Well, hello, Karen.
How are you, Tim?
I'm great. How are you?
Good. Finally, spring is here, or at least today it feels like spring here in Beaufort.
Yes.
Great reminder to everyone that they need to come over to Higher Ground and check out all the wonderful things that are going on.
The warm weather is here.
Springtime. So,
and Hobie's here.
And Hobie's here. Hobie's joined us. Weren't quite sure if he was going to join the shop, but he's like, hey, I want in on some of that action this afternoon, right? So we just want to remind everybody all the stuff that's available to them here at Higher Ground. So obviously rentals and tours are here if you're interested in taking out kayaks and stand-up paddleboards. If you haven't done that in the past and you're interested in getting out on the water, getting some lessons, navigating those waterways if you're unfamiliar with them, it's a great place to start to get your feet wet.
We can help you with all of that. Rentals and tours are in full swing right now. We're doing a lot of stand-up paddleboarding in the mornings, so we call it the Morning Stand-Up Paddleboard Group. So, you should come join us sometime and get out there and paddle around.
I should work less and have a little bit more fun. I agree.
You could call it work, recruiting for your other job, right?
There you go.
So yeah, it's awesome. So just give us a call here at the store anytime. We can set you up with a time and a date and get you out on the water.
So it's also a great way if somebody is interested in making a purchase for a paddleboard to sort of try out the different types of boards that you offer.
Yes.
The last time we spoke, you had come back and had gone to a number of different expos and have gotten some new merchandise. I mean, I walked in the door and walked right into a brand new watercraft. I was like, whoa.
The Hobie Mirage Drive.
There you go.
We have, Hobie. We also have the Hobie kayaks that you pedal. So yes, we have the ability to, if you're curious about it, if you've never been in one, it's very easy for us to get you right out on the water, give you a test drive and try it before you buy it.
Try it before you buy it. We always like that.
Yeah.
And lots of, there's lots of other supplies here and apparel that one would need if they're interested in spending their time out on the water, whether it's at the beach, fishing, canoeing, kayaking, or being on that stand-up paddleboard. Lots of options here and some great new merchandise that's come in.
Yes, they say these days you're supposed to protect yourself from the sun as much as possible, as well as get out in the sun as much as possible.
Right.
We have lots of quick, dry, technical clothing that provides sun protection, which is important for a lot of people, and it keeps you cool and dry and happy while you're out.
Yeah, and happy while you're out there,
doing those fun activities outside. Yeah.
Right. So there's obviously a lot of stuff that goes on here in Beaufort. We just interviewed a number of different people who are here representing their events that were going on. And the wonderful thing about Higher Ground is that you guys participate in those events and support and sponsor as many events as you possibly can. So recently, on April 14th, you guys just participated in River Quest.
Yes.
And that was a good event for y'all?
It was awesome, yes. River Quest is an annual paddleboard and or kayak race that we put on right out in front of the Beaufort Waterfront Park. So it's visible. It's actually a spectator sport now, so you can watch. But yeah, we had a short course and a long course, a 4-mile short course paddle and an 8-mile long course paddle. And all proceeds went to the Worrell Family YMCA.
Excellent.
Yeah.
So that's great. It's always nice to know that you guys are giving back. And of course, something that's been near and dear to my heart that I've worked hard on, Fashion for Compassion.
Yes.
You guys rocked the runway with some of your new spring outfits.
That's always fun.
Yeah, it's always fun. It's always a great crowd. Some really great opportunity for everyone here in Beaufort to see what all of our retailers have to offer. And just a reminder for everyone to shop local.
Oh yes, very important. Yes, we love being here. We love being able to give back. But to be able to do that, we need everybody to shop local. Yeah. Spread the love.
Spread the love. So just a reminder to all our viewers out there, that being able to be here in Higher Ground wouldn't be possible if we didn't have, loyal viewers and loyal customers who come and shop. So just remember to shop your local stores. If you're looking for anything for outdoors, here at Higher Ground is the place to come find it, and Tim and his awesome staff will help people with anything they need, from a board to sunnies to trucker hats if that's your gig, or some nice yoga wear that I'm spying over my right shoulder.
We'll get you fixed up, that's for sure.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Well, Tim, as always, thank you for being our host, for being a guest, spending a few minutes talking about what's going on here at Higher Ground and participating as you do in what we all know and love as Beaufort.
Thank you, Karen.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
That wraps up this edition of North of the Broad. Hope to see you next time.